In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Adsense account type. Whether you're looking to optimize your monetization strategy or simply need to update your account details, understanding how to navigate these settings can significantly impact your experience with Google Adsense. Let's start by visiting the Google Adsense homepage. It's where all the action begins for content creators looking to earn from their website monetization efforts. You'll see front and center the opportunity to either start your journey with Adsense or sign in if you're already on board. So go ahead and click on the Sign In button. This is your gateway to managing your Adsense account, enabling you to customize and control various aspects of your monetization strategy. Next up, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This should be the email associated with your Google Adsense account. It's essential to ensure that your email is entered correctly to avoid any login issues that could delay your account management tasks. After you've entered your email, the next step is to input your password. Remember, your password is the key to your account security, so always keep it safe and never share it with anyone. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the home page of your Google Adsense account. This dashboard is your mission control, providing access to critical features like performance reports, ad management, and importantly for our journey today, payment settings. To proceed with changing your account type, navigate to the Payments section. This area manages how you receive your Adsense earnings and contains vital information regarding your payment thresholds, methods, and settings. Click on Manage Settings within the Payments section. Here you'll find various options and configurations related to your payments, including the ability to update your payment profile, payment method, and what we're focusing on today, your account type. Looking for the option to change your account type, you might be eager to switch from an individual account to a business account or vice versa. Click on Account Type to explore the possibilities. However, it's here where Google lays down the path clearly. Your current account type cannot be directly altered due to specific tax laws and regulations governing such changes. This might seem like a roadblock, but it's an essential measure to ensure compliance and avoid any legal complications. Now, if your purpose for changing the account type is to align your Adsense activities with your organization, especially for tax and invoicing purposes, don't lose heart. Google has provisions in place, even though the path isn't as straightforward as flipping a switch. Contacting Google Adsense support is your next step. This interaction allows you to convey your needs explicitly and seek guidance on creating a new account type that suits your current requirements. It's worth noting that engaging with support not only provides a solution to your account type dilemma, but also opens a channel for personalized assistance with any other Adsense queries you might have. Before wrapping up, here's a quick tip. When planning to contact support, have all necessary documents and details at hand. This prep work includes your current Adsense account information, the reason for the change, and any organizational details required for the new account type. Being prepared will streamline the process, making your interaction with support as efficient as possible. And that, dear viewers, wraps up our guide on changing your Google Adsense account type. Remember, while direct changes to account types are not on the table, the support pathway provides a means to align your Adsense account with your evolving needs and organizational status. Keep exploring, stay informed, and make the most of your Adsense endeavors. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials on making the digital space work for you. Happy monetizing!